Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock all the titles for the Valorant Sage new map quest that's on Discord. So I'm just going to launch the quest again. And I think you can do it again. Yeah, you can. So let's do that. Alright, to unlock all the titles, you still have to do the objectives and stuff like that. But the first one is locked in. Open the lockbox under the orb shelves. So I'm guessing this one, which to unlock it, you'll just need to do this. And you'll find your first cube anyways. I'm not going to do the mascot again because I already did that. And then tea connoisseur, pick up the teapot, which is this one. Just drop that and you'll get the tea connoisseur title. Keymaster, use the key card to unlock the bedside cupboard, which is this one. You just need to take it basically, and you'll need to unlock this one, which I've done that already. You do need this for the main quest anyways, so I'm sure you have this already. And then insert any holo cube into the projector, which I'm assuming you've done that as well. And then look at this. That's the next title. You just need to look at the framed picture. Is it this one? Yeah. As you can see, look at this. I think for the nowhere title, you need to read this. You'll need to read the intel, I guess. And then Hacker's Man, enter the passcode to unlock the computer, which I did on the main quest here. It was 572. Read only, view all files on the computer desktop. I did that as well. Rock Wrecker, break all 8 hidden mascots. I think I did that as well. Okay, so it's been 2 days, so just go back to the quest, and basically you have to just watch the video that's on her tablet. So just press play here. The video is 3 minutes long, and it basically showcases the new Valorant map, which is Summit. I think the map is very pretty, and when you're done, you will go here and see that you have all of the titles. As you can see, I think we've unlocked the Avid fan one. It says watch the video on Sage's tablet. And yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if you like the look of the map. Obviously, we can't play yet, but yeah, it doesn't really unlock anything other than just unlocking the titles in this quest. So if you want to skip it, that's fine, but I was like, I want to get all the titles just for funs. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!